Now, if someone asks whether it's possible to make money on Facebook, my answer is a resounding yes. You can earn money from the content that you post every day on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you how you can check whether your page meets the monetization requirement. So don't skip any part of this video. Alright, so to check whether your Facebook page meets monetization, so let me just go straight to my Facebook. Now I'm going to use a sample page to check. So here on your Facebook page, now you just have to go to the top here. So when you go to the top here, then you come to professional dashboard. So tap on the professional dashboard. Now when you tap on the professional dashboard, then you scroll to this side and you see monetization. Now Facebook has started rolling out in various countries. So if you are not in that eligible country, you can't be monetized. So here there are so many ways you can monetize your content on Facebook. They have various criteria that you can monetize. They have the first one, which we call stars. Now stars allows your fans to support you by sending you a gift, which at the end of the day can be converted to money. That is it. And then we have ads on Reels. Now this type of monetization is strictly by invitation. So if you have not been invited, you cannot monetize with Reels. Now the next one is bonuses. It means that you can also amplify your earnings as a creator with bonuses that will be given to you. Also have what we call the live ads. It means that if you are running a Facebook live, Facebook can include ads on your live videos and you can make money out of it. And then we have the next one, which you call the in-stream ads. Now the in-stream ads are the videos that you upload on Facebook, and as you have those videos on Facebook, Facebook can run those ads on your video. Sometimes it comes in between videos that you play on your page. And then we have the subscription, which can allow your support or your audience to support you with a monthly payment. So these are all the various ways you can monetize using Facebook. So let's choose the in-stream ads and then check what we have or what they are. You can go it by one after the other and see. I told you earlier that the ads on Reels are strictly by invitation. The bonuses is also by invitation, and the live ads too, you can check the criteria if you meet the criteria. So when you go down here, if you want to be paid using Facebook live videos, and it means that one, you have to be in an eligible country. So if you are in that eligible country, you will be checked. And then you also follow Facebook content monetization policy. And then also you must have at least 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. I'm talking about page, not your personal account. And then content criteria, you must also have 600,000 minutes of your view video or your watch video. It means if we are to accumulate the various minutes that people have watched your video, it should be up to 600,000 minutes. That is in 60 days. And now also you must also have 60,000 minutes from your live videos as well. And then also you must have shared 5 or more eligible videos in last 30 days. So these are the requirements. Then the last one, I didn't talk about it, that is at least 3 of your videos were previously live in the last 90. Now when you go back here, you can check the other ones. So let's see the in-streams ads. So if you want Facebook to run adverts on your page, that is on your videos, that is the in-stream. This is also the requirement that you're supposed to meet. So you need to also be in an eligible country and must also follow Facebook monetization policy. You must have 5,000 followers. Yes, 5,000 followers on your page, and you must also have a 60,000 minutes in last 60 days. And then also you must have shared 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days. So this is also the requirement for in-stream. Now we have the next one, which you call the subscription. So if subscription is not available, you can't be using it. So over here, we are not allowed in this vicinity. So basically that is how you can check your Facebook page whether you meet monetization. So start creating content and now start making money on Facebook. It is real. Yes. So if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time, and give it a thumb up to help this video. See you in the next video.